Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach about the Capcut AI. Okay, it is shown as Nana Banana Pro. Okay, you can see. If you go to the official website of Capcut, okay, Capcut, you can see capcut.com. If you open up, you can see. Okay, you have to log in via your Gmail account. Okay, you can. This is the dashboard. You can get it. Okay, so after that you can see in chat CapCut also nowadays it is look like a canva. We have all the templates are there. You can see this is all the predefined templates are there. Okay, these are all the template you will be able to use it if you are a premium user. Okay, so what you're going to do is here this one for AI design. Click on it. Okay, this one show free. Okay, now here it asks to upload the image. What's the image you can upload it? Okay, so it based on the AI design which we created. Okay, so I'm going to upload my image. Click on it. I'm going to click on this image. This is my image. Okay, then I'm going to click on this image. Oh, yeah, this image I'm going to click it. Open it. Okay, so this image is uploading. You have to wait. Okay, it's uploaded successfully. Now I'm going to describe the enter your ID, upload the image to get started. So I'm going to give this image. I need this image x this image I need to you to explain this. I need you to generate this picture guy, the picture man explain about the laptop. laptop like advertisement, like laptop advertisement, like laptop advertise. Simple one. Okay, click. Okay, now you can see what is the prompt you are type on it. The based on the prompt, what your prompt you are given, that result will be displayed. You have to wait until the design is completed and you have to produce the output. Okay, now you can see that picture it will be creating. Okay, what is what is the picture I gave? Here you can see that the same face, the simple there is a simple changes, but that what is the uh, things I gave according to the image will be displayed here. It's very perfect. It will generate the photo is very accurately. It will be generated. This is a very important secret. Okay, so when you are doing the advertisement with your photo, you will be able to do like this. You have to import this photo. You can see here. This is the photo I imported. Okay, according to the image will be created. Little bit changes according to the face, because that this is the space. That AI took the photo and little bit different. It will be changed, but that you will be able to see this face. AI also the same AI. Okay, the dress also the same dress. You can see the face is also similar, but little bit different. But other things are same. Okay, you can see. Okay, it here this person is explain about the laptop advertisement. Okay, this is the very important secret of the uh, CapCut AI image generation. Okay, you will be able to download this image and you will be able to use it. This kind of things you will be able to see some. There is a person explaining something else. All the things are done. Get it done by this kind of AI. Okay, so this is a free AI tool. You will be able to use it and get the benefit of it. Right now, it is completely free. Okay, future we don't know, they are providing the price or something else. Then now you are completely free. Now you will, at the moment, you can use it and get the benefit of it. Thank you for watching.